In this video, I'll show you how to select multiple Telegram messages. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now head over to your Telegram. If you want to select multiple Telegram messages, let me say this channel right now. What we're going to do basically, wait for this to load up, right? Yeah. So what we're going to do, I'm going to right click your mouse. I'm going to click on the select, right? For you to be able to select multiple Telegram messages, I'm going to click on this. Once you have selected one, right, you can select as many as possible. So you can see I selected 4 messages here, right? This is the 5th, 6th. So okay, 5 messages. So this is how you can select multiple Telegram messages. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next